Are you looking for the best 3D printers? In this video we will look at some of the best 3D printers on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. ANYCUBIC Photon Mono 3D Printer. Specifications: System: ANYCUBIC Photon Mono. Operation: 2.8-inch touchscreen. Software: ANYCUBIC Photon Workshop. Connectivity: USB. Technology: LCD-based SLA. Light source: high-quality filament opening parenthesis wavelength 405 nanometers closing parenthesis. Series: 0.051 mm 2560 x 1620 opening parenthesis 2K closing parenthesis. Z-axis Series: 0.01 mm. Layer: 0.01 0.15 mm. Printing speed: max 50 mm per hour. Rated power: 45 watts. Number 2. ANYCUBIC Mega Pro 3D Printer. Technical specification: 3D printing, printing technology, FDM, fused deposition modeling. Build volume: 210 x 210 x 205 cubic millimeters. Layer resolution: 0.05 to 0.3 mm. Positioning accuracy: X, Y minus 0.0125 mm semicolon Z minus 0.002 mm. Extruder quantity: single. Nozzle diameter: 0.4 mm. Print speed: 20-100 mm per second. Suggested 60 mm per second. Travel speed: 100 mm per second. Supported materials: PLA, TPU, etc. Ambient operating temperature: 8 degrees Celsius to 40 degrees Celsius. Operational extruder temperature: max 260 degrees Celsius. Laser engraving: image format, BMP. Engraving size: 220 x 140 square millimeters. Engraving mode: bitmap. Pixel size: 0.05 to 0.4 millimeters. Suggested 0.1 mm. Recommended laser intensity: brown paper -15%, semicolon wood -25%. Laser height: 1 to 100 mm opening parenthesis. Suggested 50 mm closing parenthesis. Mirror image: the default value is recommended. Rated power: 1500 mW. Supported materials: leather, paper, wood, etc. Software: Slicer software, Cura. Software input formats: STL, OBJ, .die, AMF. Software output formats: G-code. Connectivity: SD card, USB cable. Expert users only. Electrical input rating: 110 volts to 220 volts AC, 50/60 Hz. Physical dimensions: printer dimensions: 405 by 410 by 453 cubed. Weight: -15 kilograms. 1. Multifunction 3D printer. 2-in-1 machine of 3D printing and laser engraving. Multiple functions to unleash your creative potential. Number 3. ANYCUBIC Photon Mono X 3D Printer. Technical specifications: System: ANYCUBIC Photon Mono X. Operation: 3.5-inch touchscreen. Software: ANYCUBIC Photon Workshop. Connectivity: USB. Technology: LCD-based SLA. Light source: high-quality filament opening parenthesis wavelength 405 nanometers closing parenthesis. Series: 0.050 mm 3840 x 2400 opening parenthesis 4K closing parenthesis. Z-axis Series: 0.01 mm. Layer: 0.01 to 0.15 mm. Printing speed: max 60 mm per hour. Rated power: 120 watts. Printer size: 270 mm L 290 mm W 475 mm H. Build volume: 192 mm L closing parenthesis 120 mm W closing parenthesis 245 mm opening parenthesis H closing parenthesis. Material 405 nanometers UV resin. Net weight tilde 10.75 kilograms. Gross weight tilde 14 kilograms. Physical dimensions: printer size 227 mm L 222 mm W 383.6 mm H. Build volume 130 mm L closing parenthesis 82 mm W closing parenthesis 165 mm opening parenthesis H closing parenthesis. Material 405 nanometers UV resin. Net weight tilde 4.3 kilograms. Gross weight tilde 6.5 kilograms. Package size 295 mm 295 mm 530 mm. Number 4. ANYCUBIC Chiron Auto Leveling High Quality Printer. Printing Technology, FDM, Fused Deposition Modeling. Build size, 400 mm 400 mm 450 mm. Print accuracy: 0.05 to 0.3 mm. Positioning accuracy: X, Y 0.0125 mm, Z 0.0020 mm. Extruder quantity: single. Nozzle diameter: 0.4 mm. Print speed: 20-100 mm per second. Travel speed: 60 mm per second. Supported materials: PLA, ABS, HIPS, wood, TPU. Temperature: ambient operating temperature, 8 superscripto C, 40 superscripto C. Operational extruder temperature, max 260 superscripto C. Operational print bed temperature, 100 superscripto C. Software: Slicer software, Cura, Simplify 3D, Repetier host. Software input formats: STL, OBJ, JPG, PNG. Software output formats: code. Connectivity: memory card, data cable. Electrical input rating: 110 volts, 220 volts AC, 50/60 Hz. Physical dimensions: printer dimensions, 651 mm, 612 mm, 720 mm. Package size: 740 mm, 660 mm, 255 mm. Net weight: 15 kg.
Please check the product link below the description. Please subscribe to our channel for more updates.
Number 5. New 3D Printer ANYCUBIC.
Please check the product link below the description. Please subscribe to our channel for more updates.
So if you want to buy these products, check link in the description box.